June 7th, 2012, Fred Burrow, Swift Plumbers. Customer number 6181. Here's our new clean out installed. As we can see, got no leaks down here. We can see that the water is flowing through the pipe out of the old clean out that was below ground. We've extended a 3-inch clean out above ground. This is the 4-inch clean out to the front. We didn't want that sticking up over here right next to the sidewalk. So after the bush was removed, we moved this back. Now the reason we installed this clean out is number one, accessibility, but we had to cut this pipe anyway to do a repair. This is the old pipe that you'll see in the other video. And in the first video, you'll see we located this problem and then we dug it up to repair it from the video sewer inspection. She's had multiple other plumbing companies out here before, I guess, Babes, Mike Douglas or whatnot, and they have not been able to figure out what the problem is. But her Swift Plumbers got to the point, I don't know how they would have missed that using a video camera, because you can clearly see it, but from what the customer reported, this was missed, and we sure didn't. We removed this tree, dug it up, and hard for anything to get through there, cut down the size of the pipe. What that is you're looking at a knockout. This pipe was laying right here, and what I want to show you is, right there, when they would have built this home in new construction, they would have had a cap right here. Okay, it would have been stubbed out. They didn't have the city line ran yet. So when that was stubbed out with a cap on, so dirt or nothing got in there, they opened it up. Now, when they tapped that out, they just broke it. They didn't clearly take all of it out. And that created a lip for everything to catch on here in the sewer system. So that is what our problem was. We'll do one final video. I just wanted to show this flowing. I wanted to show also on here our connection and how nice that was. You go through here, that's through that clean out. And I've ran this video camera all the way out. In the first video, you can see I did the inside to this point. We couldn't go any further. Now that we've got that lip out of the way and our camera can slide through there, a little hard to see because of the sunlight here at this point and where my camera's located. And because it's PVC pipe with no problems. You're not going to see a whole lot. All you're seeing that to the right side of the screen is water running down the bottom of the pipe. And it's just running and running, and I just keep going further and further. And we just have no other issues at this time than that. You push that camera back into me. That's running all the way out there to the city sewer. No issues. Push it in for me. As I pull it backwards, you'll see at the beginning of this video, you can see I made a nice smooth transition point from the old pipe to the new pipe with the Fernco hub right here. Slow down. You'll see we've got a good transition point. Water running smoothly. Can you have the customer shut all that water off now? We made a point that this is wide open. And you can see we made a smooth transition from the inside of the pipe, and we go back up our clean out right here. And you'll see on the finished product, we'll backfill this hole. There will be a cap right here. And now we've got a accessible clean out above ground, two-way clean out. So if you got a cable into the house or outside, if somebody flushes something they shouldn't, then you've got that because this sewer line is wide open and should not plug again. The only reason it'll plug is if people do anything besides toilet paper. So that's the deal with this. As you can see, we also leak tested this. There's no water in our hole after running all them gallons of water and flushing the toilet several times, so everything looks great. We'll put this back together and get out of here, and that's a wrap for this job. Fred Burrow, Swift Plumbers.